Oh, relax.
Oh, that's not my ringtone. Hi. Who's this?
Me.
It's Fruity Rooty.
I'll show you the
It's sweetie.
I already saw it.
Baka yung klase kwento.
Oh, why?
Parang president kung magsalita.
Oh, I told her already.
Alchemist.
Ano ba yan? Clients mo?
Ako, client ko.
Oh yeah, come on, go.
Tawagan ko kasi Nobita.
Ano
Si
ba?
Lala, tawagan mo si Lala.
Mamaya.
Ako
Tawag si
na.
Demon mamaya. Sabi ni Kuya Lil, si Demon.
Oh, Demon, hoy!
Peace! Ang victory!
Hey, ito na ba for that?
Rose, ano last name mo?
Victory.
Ruth after GGS.
Kala ko Rose Fruity.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not true. That's not right.
Kasi nalagay sa TMZ. Alam mo ba yun, TMZ?
Oh, yeah.
Nalagay dun eh. Fruity Rooty.
Oh, I know that.
Do you watch TMZ?
That's controversial.
Sometimes.
Well, that's only controversial, no? Ano ka ba? I don't know.
Di ba ano ka? Bollywood ka?
Bollywood.
Ang body mo.
Yeah, you're Bollywood. You're a Fruity Rooty Woo.
Hate this then at answering.
Rooty Patuti.
Oh, Alice, calm down.
3, 2, 1, action!
May ano kanta yan? I'm with you? I know. Happy ending?
Ay, hindi.
Why?
Oo.
Happy ending, right? May happy ending.
My sad ending.
Oh, really?
Yes. Rooty, salita ka.
Ayoko nga.
Patagtag ka na lang right now. Sige na.
Kakanta ka.
Please for Ate Paula.
Paula?
Ay.
Yung pa rin ba number mo?
Oo.
Oh, really?
Nakalagay doon Ate Ra.
Lagay mo dun, Paula. Ano ba? Tinatak ka mo yung video.
May nag-text sa akin na when are you coming back?
Ako. Ako, si Paula.
Oh.
Finally, tapos ka na din.
Ano yung NBA?
Oh, free!
Really?
Yo, dude, what's up?
Oh, really?